finishing up on it. Yay!
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Guys, good morning. Don't even watch the way I look. I just literally come downstairs just to finish up to have some loose ends. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. We're not finished as yet, and yeah, so yeah, we all looking rough. I went to bed late last night, but as you can see, that is what it looks like. Still finishing up the touches. Let's go see what the baker is up to. All right. So there. Don't worry, you're not in it. Like, so this is what Faith is doing. Don't mind the mess. So as you can see, she's literally here making the icing, and then we got some little we got muffins she made as well. The cake, you put it in the fridge, and then the cake is in the fridge. So let me see. So yeah, so the cakes them are there in the fridge. All right, let's go see what Rissa's up to. So Rissa is doing the other craft here, so you guys will see that when she finishes that part of the craft. So she's working on that. Yeah. So currently right now I am literally, to be honest guys, I'm just feeling sick to my stomach. I'm just feeling so sick. I feel so sick. I feel sick to my stomach, but you know, I just kind of want this day to go good. This is probably our last, literally our last celebration together as a family of 6, because as you know, Faith is going off to university. So, and you know, Memphis, who knows, he might be here, he might be moving away as well. Yeah, you okay? What's wrong? Where's that? Let me see. I can't see. Huh?
I don't know if I did it right. I can redraw it because I didn't draw too. I draw it lightly, so I can erase it.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay. Cut it out?
Yeah, just cut it out. That's fine.
Okay.
Not a problem. You want to draw it light. You don't want it dark anyways. So yeah. And I just figured that with everything, and this is just kind of like our, you know, one of the, I guess, going off things. So this is the last time Faith's baking a cake for Romario's birthday party and stuff like that. But you guys can always hire her, you know, she's very good at what she does. So I didn't get that much sleep. I went to bed really late last night. So I went to bed really late last night. So what I'm going to go do now is I was thinking of going to go shop Romario and get him semi-dressed. I'm gonna do his hair. Yeah.
Can I sharpen these?
Are they dull?
Yeah.
Where's the others? You could use, I have scissors. Look, maybe use the other scissors over there. You could sharpen them. You pass, here, pass the sharpener. Actually, let me sharpen it. I'll sharpen it for you. Pass me the knife thing.
Where's the sharpener?
it should be at the top.
No, top,
So,
floor, at the back.
yeah, so this is a certain nice little gathering. So this is why I was like, okay, let's do like a little barbecue type of thing. And, you know, just enjoy yourself, have some snacks. I actually have a game that I wanted to play. I gotta find it. I'm gonna see. Actually, I have to build that game too. I think it will be fun. So I'm gonna have to come back downstairs and do that as well. Yeah. So I'm gonna tap into my creativity, and get that done as well. So yeah, and build a game, and then yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's finished built. So it should be a fun game though. It should be very fun. It'll be very fun. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. So yeah, I'll tap back in, or I'll come back when I finish. So yeah, because I'm gonna go get him showered and then just put him in some clothes till he's ready to get ready.
I rolled my eyes at him. He's like,
So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. But it's gonna be nice. And then we have like we're gonna set up a little treat station. And yeah, that's pretty much. We'll probably set up a little treat station, a little thing, and everybody, a little finger food and stuff like that. So everybody, and with me and stuff. But you guys will see the whole thing. I think this is gonna be, because it's his second. This? Oh, you think he's sharp enough? Oh. Oh, here, try it. All right, so we'll be back, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Oh Lord, the boys are upstairs sleeping. Well, Mario's awake. Memphis is, I guess, sleeping. He was up early this morning. Yeah. So he's probably either awake or in his room. I'm gonna go finish getting this done and then get over here cleaned up, get the place swept, organized, and yeah. And then I will come back, I'll show you the rest of the stuff. So when everything is put together, I'll show you guys that. Yeah, I'm really excited. I hope it says it's supposed to rain today, but I hope it doesn't rain because obviously we're gonna barbecue. We're just probably throwing on some chicken on the grill. Nothing too much. Maybe some chicken, some hot dogs. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what we're doing for dinner. And then we have the little extra stuff that I have to make. I didn't even get stuff to make salad, but let me go figure this out. So Pops just finished showered. Mario bathed him and he got him dressed. So he is getting all, what do you say, cutesy up. Cutesy. That's the word for the day. Cutesy up. There, birthday boy. Birthday boy. You want Dada comb my hair? Dada go comb my hair. So Dada have... His face. Yeah, Dada go do your hair.
Dada.
Yeah, Dada. Dada go do your hair. Watch. Here, sit, let Dada do your hair. Yeah, for go, I go use the bathroom and then... In tablet? Okay, hold on.
But you refused because, and I quote, Milen's sweater is too ugly, Nate draws like a 2-year-old, Alia is useless, and Marilyn is ridiculous. Utterly ridiculous.
But I still need
Come here. Say something.
film actually
Oh,
theater
sorry.
and turn someone into a star. That someone should be me. So you're gonna give me the part my half of the sister is playing because everything she owns is Banana Chloe?
Are his outfits that he's supposed to wear. So there's 3 different ones. Let me show you guys.
Trying to for a first timer, and your macarons are super yummy. See, we have the
So
same
let me show you
passion.
guys how Mario's doing his hair. He's doing a good job.
You didn't like it.
I did, but
You seem to be enjoying it all.
I think I was enjoying it all because I was sharing these moments.
Yeah, catching your practice.
Mistake. You should choose your own activity.
Hey.
Approved.
No more product here.
I don't know. Excellent argument. Approved.
So, Yeah. Romario, they do Romario's hair.
I know that whatever you do it for people.
So he's just defining his curls, guys. That's what he's doing. And then the product will let him here stay like that. Yeah. I'm gonna head downstairs, go help the girls because there's still stuff that needs to get done. Oh. All right. Let's get this thing together. How is it going, Ursa? Oh, look, let me give you guys a sneak peek. Look at the cupcakes. They look good, don't they? Yeah. Oh, Mario, do Romario's hair. Oh, yeah. Oh, that?
Yeah. It's because the proper thing is not there. So.
Yeah.
So it's hard to do that now.
Oh, okay. So, Ursa's getting things together. Let me show you. They're working as a duo. Yeah. Don't ask me why there's a big barbecue box in my living room. But this is the behind the scenes. Yeah. This is life. My house is in limbo right now. A mess. Mess. And look. And see, barbecues in my living room. Still no couch yet in my living room. No coffee table. And yeah, just a whole bunch of toys and a whole bunch of stuff. But hey, this is a real life. And every day you guys go get up and see place all glam up. But don't worry, this is gonna be all cleaned up and stuff like that. Guys, our couch set we ordered is coming, but it's not coming till next month. So we literally have to wait for that, for next month for it to come. And my bar stools, so when those come, we will deal with the coffee table and yeah. And I'll bring you guys through that anyways, so you guys will be able to see how I decorate in here. To make it homey. And these curtains and stuff, I'll end up taking them down. They were just up here for the sake of now. So these will end up getting changed out, but for now, they're gonna stay right there. Right there. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Oh, how's it going, ladies? Oh, harder than you think? Oh, not so bad. Yeah, so let me come and finish the decorations and see where I could fit this stuff. And yeah, I think I did show you guys the Mario broke the broom too. So Mario, I forgot something there, and then I gotta get myself together. So let me just get the rest of these balloons up, and yeah, let's do it. So guys, I am tired. Still not finished yet, but as you see, we've gotten more stuff done. It's just the final touches and stuff we have to put on. Rissa's still finishing the final stuff, and Fate just finished the cake. You guys want to see what the cake looked like? Yeah, let me show you. Look at the job. She did an amazing job. So I told you guys can hire her. Yeah. So this is the cake, guys. Look at it. Looks great. And we decided to do 2 layers because he is 2. And then we have the cupcakes over here. Yeah, a little treat. And yeah, so that's what it looks like. So we just finished these. This is a game that we're going to do. So Fate's finishing the last bit of stuff for me, taping it together. This is another game here that we're going to do as well. So just have some stuff, and then we have the treats that are gonna be that's the name. So, and then as you see, the girls, Rissa did an amazing job at the coconut tree. Yeah, she did an amazing job, guys. And yeah, so we're almost finished. And yeah, we're almost finished. I just literally, and then we have this sign here. Can you see? Hold on. I don't even know. Can you guys see me? Yeah. Romario, take off your pants, buddy. So this is our sign here. You need help? You need help? So this is the sign here. Hold on. I just gotta figure out where to put it. Okay, come. Oh, hold on. So when you take off your pants, you go like that and you take 1 foot out at a time. Okay? This boy does not like clothes. As you can see, I still have not yet showered, but at least I fixed what I needed to fix with my hair. So I am going to go shower now, get myself together. Mr. Williams have been gone for how much hours? I don't even know where he is. And he pretty much dodged everything. The only thing, well, he's gonna come back to come barbecue. Yeah, he bathed Romario, did his hair and got him ready. But everything else he dodged. Hey, watch me. So, him and Manfitz dodge everything. Always the girls and always put on the females and always. Okay. But what I'm going to do is, yeah, I'm gonna go shower and then get myself together. And cake and everything is ready. Did I show you guys the cake yet? I don't know if I did or I didn't. But if not, let me show you a quick glance at it.
Why are you driving your car off of my boy?
There is, ow! There is the muffin. And there is the cake. Oh no! Romario, no!
What?
What are you doing?
Really fit?
I got one up food. Barbecue chicken is looking like it's gonna be, that's gonna be me all summer.
Who hear this over?
What?
Who hear this over?
Yes, sir.
Hey, wish.
What do you mean, me wish? Holy shit, it's cold out here.
Yeah, winter day again.
Cheese on peas. I got one up in me. Cheese on peas. I'd rather make the, ooh, you know what? I'd rather make the meat out yourself on this since
Mama,
there's
don't
no
touch the
oil.
TV,
And then put it, and then, what?
You ain't gonna keep it me.
And then put it pan next door. Romario. We're doing his photo shoot. Yay. And this is what it looks like. Say, I am two. Two. Yay. You can't put up the two properly because all the other fingers, them they go up. Is that good? What are you eating?
Show me.
Yum yum. Okay. Good. Okay. All right. So we're gonna switch out and do his next outfit. Don't touch, baby. Don't touch. Hold it.
Let me put me behind this.
Look at Faith.
No.
Look at Faith. Papa. Faith.
Hi.
Say cheese. Say cheese. Look at Faith.
Say I'm one. I'm two.
Stay here.
This is not flying. Me need to go water.
Hold it. Look at Faith.
Cheese. Cheese. Gay. Take a bite. Look at me and take a bite. Yeah.
Good job.
Is it good?
Ew. Yum yum. Guys, so we did an outfit change and we're taking pictures. Say cheese! Yay! Good boy! Yay! So that's his outfit.
You know what I mean?
Preschool kid? Yeah.
Brick Brat. It's like my mommy drives a Porsche. My daddy goes go.
Yummy. Yum yum. Good boy.
Bite the cupcake.
So, yeah.
And
And
bite it. Ow.
yum.
Digging that rabbit.
Yay.
Oh, yummy.
tried that. Oh my god! Romario never tried that. Mr. Mario move a white man waist from beside of me. I'll party of black except me so. Mario
No, I want a picture with him on his cake. Hold on.
Mommy, Romario Bob headed a car with Memphis and listen to song. But shake it to the max. Romario got up.
So let me show you guys what is going on. So we have a popcorn station. As you see, we have tiger tails, monkey treats, and we have a snake pit and animal mixed treats, and we also have animal crackers, and these are supposed to be zebra treats. We couldn't find any, so we're using the cupcakes. That is the Shrepford night. Yes. No, Romario, not gonna touch it, girl. And come over here, and here is our little sign where it says test your brain skills this way. It's a jungle in here. So we have a few games that we're going to play, but this is how the thing is set up for now. And sorry, we're doing the photo shoot, so one of the stuff dropped down, but that is the finalize. And if you come over here, it says welcome to Romario's 2nd birthday, and then it says the monkey trail, banana, leave a banana and $20 for tricks, and it says what, safari trail this way, and it says do not feed the animals. And then so Marissa made this, and then she also made a tree with the 2 coconut in it. And let me show you. So we have a game board here. So it says guess the footprint of the animals. Can you guys guess what footprints, which animals these footprints belong to? Well, you know, dominoes are for playing. And we also have this game here. So you're supposed to guess the term of how long the animals them are actually pregnant. So you have the different ones, so you have to actually match them. And then we're going to probably do musical chairs. Yeah, so we will probably end up doing a musical. Ooh. So, yeah. So we will probably end up doing musical chairs. I don't know, the lighting. Oh, okay, that's much better. So we'll end up doing musical chairs. And yeah, we're just gonna go play some game and have some fun. Mr. Williams getting dressed, and then we're gonna do the family portrait. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. What do you want? What do you want, Papa? You want this? No?
Don't get that from me from.
Yeah, there you go. Take that. Okay. So, in order to keep him occupied.
1, 2.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Say two.
Look. Say I'm two. Yay!
Yeah, go
Clap your
boy.
tiny hands, clap your tiny hands for joy.
Okay, give mommy a hug. This way.
Mommy, hug, mommy, go hug.
Tight,
Mommy. Tight.
Look this way. Look, wait. Look this way.
Tight, goes tight.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Stop in your belly.
Tight.
Look this way. Look this way. Okay. Sit.
Sit.
Sit here.
Do you want one scenario? One more.
You want candy? Wait.
You want candy?
Yes, cheese.
Give it to him.
Oh, guys, this ain't easy, boy.
Look at his face. Touch it.
I'm in.
Ready?
You're welcome.
There you go.
Oh
Oh no. Candy.
Coco.
Oh shit. Find the sticky pot. Wait, is there a box? Let me see. Sticky pot, the white one. The white. It has. Oh. Yeah.
Okay. Let's
Come
ready?
here.
1, 2, 3.
Cheese.
Oh, yeah, that's alright. That's all.
Yay.
Yay!
Yay.
Candy!
And
Yum, yum, yum.
Yay.
tired, baby? Okay.
baby.
Yeah, baby, tired? Okay, that's it.
Nice.
Smile.
Candy.
Say cheese. Cheese. And two. And two.
Yeah, good boy.
So come on, mommy, I do, you know, and do a little damn puppy show.
Yeah. Right. Nice. One more. Yeah.
The point where you can go.
Say cheese.
Show them.
Cheese.
Give that a hug. Tight.
Aww. Give that a kiss.
Should I kiss?
Yeah, lion.
Where's the lion? Oh.
No, that's a tiger. It's a bear.
Say cheese.
Give that a hug.
Tight.
Go mwah.
All done?
Mwah.
So Mario, you have your hat on.
Look, Papi.
Say
Candy.
You want candy? Sorry, you want candy? You think you're going to eat candy? Back off. Look and feed.
Yeah, this way, I want to put it back on.
Man.
Say cheese. Cheese. Look this way.
Hey.
Cheese.
Your teeth are
Serve. Yes, cheese.
Restaurant one man game you take up the cotton candy and then put it back. I want one man buy the game. Yeah, before.
Hey. Give mommy a kiss.
Don't kiss.
Kiss
your mother.
Hey, boy.
Say me. Mwah.
Cheese.
Go mwah. Say mwah. Me mwah.
Shut in my box.
Look,
Say
give me
cheese.
candy.
Yeah. Okay, babe.
Yeah.
Oh.
Switch positions now.
Switch position.
Yes, you hold Romario. Mario done better.
Okay.
Or go behind him. Go behind Mario. Go behind him.
Or Mario goes behind. Or Mario goes behind after them.
That's the one I wanted to eat.
That's the fancy one.
Babe,
That's
Which
the
one?
one I wanted to eat.
Okay, make sure you're not touching the rose one. The rose one not for me. Okay,
Look,
everybody.
Calling them
Smile. Go.
For life.
Look this way. Smile.
Go smile, say cheese.
Smile. Cheese.
Romario, say cheese. Where cheese good for?
Go. Hey. Okay, smile. Good. Okay.
Is that good?
Your phone done broke. Yeah, when your phone broke, mash up.
Okay, Mario, stand up.
Okay, switch. Go.
Come on, Mario. Go. On a time. Wait. That was gonna come here.
Open my mouth.
Ew. Yum. Oh. And then
Yummy.
what you do on with the cake?
Cheese. Smile.
Damn kid, have you finished up in on your cream?
Me want him probably put the cake on the ground. We're gonna move this and set it flat with the block.
If you touch my cake, I
Okay, look.
touch him.
See cheese, look.
You can't say cheese.
Say I'm two. Serious face.
Mwah. Say, kiss the face, kiss.
Mwah. Look this way. You're cross-eyed. Look this way. Mwah.
Kiss that, Valentine.
Don't kiss it like that.
You can't set it on now. Come here. Come take a picture. No. Why? You can set it on the timer. It has the timer on the side. Set it on the timer and you and Rissa come in. Memphis. No, it don't come in.
Yeah, Memphis the key.
Memphis.
You have this candy
And we can take picture of you?
on the floor.
Just set the timer. Yeah, you can. That's why I said you can set the timer. Yeah, Memphis is not tear up wife beater and I not even know else. But watch the people that be staring there. Watch it. Right there.
Huh? He already has one on the floor there, so. In Jappy.
Here.
Your damn teeth are going to drop out with your candy.
That's okay. You get only for water for it.
Go, Rita, go.
What, me?
Come, yeah, come.
You first. Snap picture of the little cause I wipe your shit. You start stoop down little bit.
I'm stooping!
You can get the chair now and sit on the chair. Get the chair and put the chair.
Now, stoop. Quick.
So what you gonna do?
Stoop. I'm not stoop.
No want the candy!
Hurry up! Memphis, go take a picture, please. Memphis, they look more
Greedy
people.
pick me!
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
nasty!
Snap on Brady.
What do you forget?
I did not take picture of it. Bloody
Hello, you come in and let me go. I'm actually.
I've been saying so take already.
Oh gosh. Okay, take the picture.
Tell me if it's sucking my gut here.
Yeah, take the picture now.
That's up.
Hurry up in there, get auntie. Say cheese. Suck.
You skin out so.
Yeah. Dada behind you. Say cheese. No.
Turn it off. Okay. Oh, weird. I'm stuck in my gut too much before you have to move forward.
The time was stuck on.
Oh god. Don't fix it here. No. Where's that bucket?
Your handicap. See that song? Time off. See turn off.
Jesus.
Click it now. Hey! Oh, my door!
And then we have to go to the cake. It's okay.
Candy, you can say it.
Yeah, come on.
Hello. Wait. I gotta get it right.
Oh, you have cool your shit.
One.
See cheese. See cheese.
Look what I'm doing.
Romario! Look.
Man, look for one now.
Okay, all done? Alright, okay, so the cake, me I go put him on the floor. Come wait, Papa. You know, have a smash cake, but you just have a cake on the floor. Come and want a picture with him with his cake. Yeah, nice.
Mommy, you're in the way, mommy. Mommy.
Cake.
Cake?
Hello. You know, so this goes this way.
I didn't know.
Cake. Hi, Papa. What's that?
Ew, that's gross.
Say cheese. Cheese. Say cheese. Cheese.
I don't know. Where'd you put it?
Not even him knowing put it. Uh-oh. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion.
Come.
No!
Don't touch.
Touchy.
Smile. Cheese.
So nice.
That's too cute.
No, Reggie, don't leave it.
Leave it, baby. Don't do it. Monkey.
Crazy shit.
Bite your mother. Bite it.
Don't touch it.
Bite it. Bite it.
Yummy.
Oh, God.
Bite it.
It's fake, bro. You can't eat it.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, the things you gotta do behind the scenes.
Okay, are we done now?
Okay, we are done. I'm ready to eat. No fear, give me the cake.
Give me a blasted cute one. Oh my god, you ate the one I wanted to eat.
This one's mine.
This one's mine.
This one's mine. This
No,
one's
this
mine.
this one's mine.
I did the one with the Wally for heart. I don't want the onion. I know exactly what it looks like. I'm bright.
You want this?
Ooh.
So was it good?
Okay. Alright. You don't want any of the animal food?
I'm talking about. It's you. I be hearing you bark like a dog when you're in this house.
Yeah, first of all, Fabian.
Uh-oh.
There's that white thread. I go somewhere. I don't know. Alright, that's a here. White.
I'm talking about in it.
Okay, here. Oh, you got one?
You want to draw?
Okay, so that is
When
it.
you put back on the cake?
Huh?
I think mommy already took a picture.
The cake? Over the cutting.
Oh,
Can you make chocolate?
alright. You're in a rally. Can you eat something?
Yeah, come here. Right as well. Come on. You grab the packet and sit on the easy. I'll put it back.
Yeah, we back now. You know, so much is
How many times are you?
Let's eat. Let's eat.
I meant to get into it. I need to get
How
it.
many times are you?
What, the cake?
Wait. Here.
So that's a nice story. Another half I do all the time.
Respect you, trust me.
This is the only picture I ever saw and Romario. I just don't think.
Sometimes I do.
This picture is down now. She's got one on the way, so my confession. I don't know what to do. I guess I gotta keep on. Go, Papa, go, go. Go, Papa. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shake it, shake it. I don't know what I put in her drink. How much candy I give her? He ate up the whole bag of the candy, the worm candy. Yeah, yeah. Go.
Me first.
Me first.
Me.
Okay, Mario, come off of your phone.
Me first.
Then come off the phone. Okay. Turn off the thing.
Oh,
Turn off the music.
No, you ain't turning on.
Chicken foot.
Okay.
Chicken foot. Okay. Last one.
Me next. Me?
Yeah.
Move.
Rissa, come now. We'll play the game.
I was like a horse.
What the freak?
What?
Why? It looks like a horse.
No, horse.
So who tell them say yeah,
No, me I tell you if you're right or wrong.
So you know it?
I know. I can't play the game. I know them. Yeah.
What is this?
No, I mean stop them. Me have to make them look bad. We can't make them look
How
good.
dare you? I don't draw that bad.
Okay, go Rissa.
Okay.
You know pause, Manta. You freeze?
Give it to me.
No, if you freeze or you can see the game still.
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay. Alright. Which way you say? What one was that for Faith?
Horse.
Horse?
Horseshoe.
No horse to me, bro.
Wrong.
Move.
My turn.
Okay, okay, wait. The one that you guys something there, you have to go put something funny. Yeah.
So hold on. Animal alone?
Yeah, they're all animal.
Nothing else?
What is this?
Put your phone down here, sir. Put your phone down there. No, put your phone on the thing. Okay, good.
Okay, Rissa next.
Frog.
What kind of frog?
Alright. You don't get it. This is my way, so.
Yeah.
Toad.
Wrong. A frog.
Okay.
Oh no, I'm gonna get this. So I'll give it to you. It's a wood frog.
What's a wood frog, mommy?
Me no know, but that's what it is. Okay, Manta, y'all go. Uno pick one. Here, let me move closer. You can see. Here. What?
Wally,
Which one?
Mommy, I can see the answers.
Hello, give me a sit. What is that?
No human food that.
Yeah, that's right.
What?
That's right. Okay, so Manta team get one. Eh?
This.
What?
What's that?
Pig or hog?
Pig or hog? Pig or hog? I said thing wrong.
Go on. Me. Look at this.
What the freak is that shit? What the freak?
Oh no, can
Bear.
take off the crab.
It's a bear.
Take off the crab.
Bear? What the freak is a crab?
Not the crab, the frog.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yes, it's too hard.
Yes.
Is this a bear, mommy?
Is that one a bear?
Yes.
Hold on.
Move, Romario, move. A black bear.
Hold on.
Brown bear.
Me no remember that sitting there. Hold on. Let me look.
Why did it take you so long?
Wait. Give me time. Me have to look and make sure it's sitting right. Next minute you don't go get it wrong.
What the freak is this?
You're supposed to guess the footprint.
This is bear?
I wanna can't cheat. You can't look on the phone.
Bear?
No searching up.
Bear?
I want a beer. That's a beer.
Me not think so.
So,
Nothing.
Mario, put the phone down. Come off the game. Put the phone down. Where
we're find out what I want.
Come off of the phone.
Oh crap!
Come off of the phone.
Where you find?
Mom, this is a bear
You
now.
come off my phone. Where you
Yes,
find?
sir.
I have to stay on the phone.
Yeah,
I saw
stay
me
on the
some.
phone.
No, you don't have to stay on it.
Hello. Now stress me out.
Yes, that's true.
What is the animal?
Wait, give me a second.
That's one of the organized game.
Yes, that's
Wait.
This is a
Let me
bear.
see.
Move. From the side.
Wait, say it's all.
Bear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah! You just have
It's
to
a bear?
go to the
No.
eight.
Okay, fine, yeah.
my turn.
Wait, a bear?
I know.
Look underneath it, Faye. What does it say?
Sit.
Maybe it's wrong.
Tiger. You're wrong.
Oh. That ain't no tiger.
This money can't draw.
Mommy, that's not no tiger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The freak.
This.
Yeah.
Why be?
Duck.
Yeah.
On me.
Okay.
Cow.
That's just not cow.
That better be a moo. That better be a cow.
What did you say it was? A cow?
Who do you think that's a cow? Where's the cow?
Stop it.
Okay, no, it's not a cow.
Shit!
Alright.
Okay, Tony, for your turn.
Which one?
Which one?
Pick any one of them. That's not extra. Pull off the ones that mess up their feet.
Hello, I will who win.
I me say.
Come here, keep score.
Oh, what you got? One way.
You off the frog.
But just get the one that's up.
Hold on. I was not there.
Me.
Okay.
Anna Mario's not in me.
No, Mr. Me.
See?
Yeah,
I'm gonna get that.
So yeah, two pies.
Okay, fine. Pick them up and give them to me and put them in a pile.
Teeth.
What?
This is the Auntie Samantha.
Where's the teeth?
Auntie Sammy? This is Auntie Sammy's.
Where?
This is Mario's.
Yeah, this is like a teeth.
This is Mario. I know. That that one a mystery. Okay, and then Fiat get this one.
Oh, I know. Okay, I know.
Okay.
I can't look under.
Rissa.
Okay.
Rissa get this one wrong, but we'll put it in. Which one?
Our shoe.
Where?
This one?
Yeah.
Ilu one to your right.
The lower one to the right.
Yeah.
Wrong.
It's a high shoe. Oh God. Okay, it's my turn.
Eh?
Yeah. Chicken.
Wrong. Wait a minute, chicken. How is that?
Chicken
No. How does that look like chicken foot to you?
Yeah. Where are we?
Eh? Wrong.
This is 12 foot.
No.
Okay, go. Lion.
Lion. Wrong.
Shut up.
No, not lion. No. It's close though, but it's not lion. Go, Rissa.
On my turn, me just go and go on my turn. Oh,
Oh, Tony them. It's your turn.
go.
Tell me.
Me no know no more.
We lost. Wait. I think we know I know. Okay.
Eh?
We know I know. Shut up.
Eh?
Let me ask you a footprint. Oh, this
Up a print. So stop being disgusting.
boy.
I
This is one bird foot thing. Bird feet.
Where?
The third one to your right. It's starting from the corner at the bottom.
It's a bird feet, but what type of bird?
Mommy, what do you mean what a bird?
I know if it's all kind of bird.
It's a bird, but you have to tell me what type of bird it is. Remember, you have some bird that can fly and some can't fly.
Which one is that bird?
This one. I know what it is.
Where's that?
I know what it is.
Ostrich.
You only get it right, take it off.
This one?
Yeah.
Ostrich?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right, Jeff. I bet. We're not cheating. You're cheating. Oh, not cheat.
Okay, here. So them have to. So yeah, right now Mario pie. Go for it. Or who go?
Yeah, what is that?
Beer.
Yeah.
Me, this. This.
Here, pass me that. Okay. What is that?
Cow? Okay, shush.
I know. It's actually not a cow, but.
No.
Oh, okay. I know what the other one is now. There it is. Oh.
Okay, mommy, are you done? What the frick is this?
Eh?
Got a damn gingerbread.
It's not a breeze through it.
I know, cow, but I can't play the game. We can't play. I may dry, so we can't play.
Which one? I'm thinking. Purple, think. Tiger.
Tiger.
No, we already got tiger. It was the bear.
Wait.
paw.
Hold on. What did you say? What was your son?
This one. Where have you go? Where have you go?
Hold on.
Give me heavy, please.
Give me 1 second. Let me
Don't
look.
open the floor.
Because you see, me have more than one different drawing on the stupid thing. Yes.
Tiger.
Tiger is here.
Oh, wait, sir.
What is
What's
that
a meerkat?
Oh, that's what it was. You're wrong.
All that dumb shit.
What
I
is a
mean,
meerkat?
no one knows what a
It's a
meerkat
meerkat.
is.
It's a big the mountain cats.
Okay, who next?
mine.
Who's in them?
Okay. Tell them, wanna go on.
Bro, what the frick is that? Looks like a ball sack.
one?
The last one to the right in our corner.
This one? Last one to the right.
Up on top.
The bottom, you there? Up on top, you there? Oh, crap, sorry.
We said that one a dog paw.
That don't look like that one.
Alright, you get it right?
Yeah, search. Don't
Hold on.
touch. Don't touch.
Next time me.
Me have one. Me know one. I know it.
Because you just cheated. Come over.
No, I don't. I didn't. I didn't see it. I swear I didn't see it. I see the
My turn.
Hold on. Give me a second.
Don't lick me.
My turn.
No, hold on, me a look.
Yes, I'm
If you get it right, me a look.
This
Wait a second, dog paw. No, that's wrong.
Oh shit. Okay, Mario.
My turn.
I have one.
Horseshoe.
Yeah.
I have a horse. Go.
Here, give it to me.
Go.
Go.
I know one.
Here. Go. Go, Faith.
Oh, wait, shit no more. Wait, I have an idea. I have one. He's trying to work on this one with me now.
Go.
What are you making?
Go.
What is that called? Eh? Go. Hold on.
So much. Shut up.
No, wrong.
Okay, my turn.
Yeah.
Rhino. Go. Why not here? Hurry up now. I don't
What? Goat? No. It's not goat.
I'm tired. Okay.
No, it's not a
My
goat.
turn. Go. Chicken foot.
No.
Stop it.
Does that look like chicken foot to you?
Guys.
It lives in the water and on land.
Oh, see you making ears. Who go next? I'm going to them. Water and land.
I don't see no more me want. Me know.
Mario said no, see no more. Okay, you want me to give you that funny shape one?
Oh, wait, I know this one. Okay,
What?
okay, me know it.
What is it?
Me can go. You pass.
Okay.
You pass.
My turn.
Yeah?
You pass, no bad man. Go now. You pass. Okay, now go. Me go.
Okay, go on, Fiat.
Okay. Turtle.
Wrong.
Jesus Christ.
Tony! What? You guys, which one?
My turn.
Yeah.
You can't get it yet. You gotta
Slot.
wait.
What?
One slot.
I'm going to say something.
Tony!
Okay.
Tony says slut!
Okay, alright.
Yes, sir. You're dead. No, man, do not kill me. Holy shit. Tony says slut. I'm Mario with him. Mario. Gosh. Yeah, if you stop it, he won't do it. Okay, go.
My turn?
Yeah.
Cold cough.
Cold cough.
Like baby cough. Yes. Cold cough.
Cow cough.
Yes. Like baby. Romario, stop an eye.
Stop.
No, wrong.
Which one is that, Romario? Which one is that? Which one is that?
Okay. Yeah, go Fiat.
Yeah. Crocodile. Thank you, God.
Wait, get it?
I'm done. Give me the people. Move. Rest. Okay, go on. I'm going to turn now. No.
Oh, no, my turn. I remember saying me go on than you.
Okay.
Okay, Tony, have your turn.
Goat.
No goat, no did it.
No. Okay.
No.
me know one.
What?
We are definitely Go. Bone cow.
No, that's not
My
cow.
turn.
Okay.
Butterfly.
Wrong. It's not butterfly.
Tell me 2 wings.
But I told it says guess the footprint. Butterfly do not have
I
footprint.
put this. Wait.
Me. Where's somebody say monkey, right? Ape.
No, there's that. Well, if a different species of monkey, it's a monkey. See, I'll give it to you. It's a monkey, but there's different types. No, no, pick the human foot already.
Now Uncle Tony for go.
I think it's a dog.
Okay, tell Uncle Tony for them.
Okay, Tony, I feel the turn.
Dog.
The one you're shaped like a one, look dog.
Which one?
No, the one that don't get so.
Which one?
Up at that, no, the one that.
That one?
There is a wing dog, how like I say a cow.
The one where Risa say a cow foot?
This?
No, sir. No dog, not today.
Okay, can I go? Chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee? No.
Yes! Me.
Stop it!
My turn?
Yeah.
Gorilla.
Nope. Yes! Baboon. Baboon. This one. Yeah, baboon.
Yeah, bad man.
What?
I say monkey.
Me tell you say a monkey because since you couldn't figure it out, me give you a hint.
Okay.
It's a monkey.
Hello, me not get no money, me not can't. Okay, wait. Okay, I have
I
I think I'm Who go next? Uncle
What?
Tony.
Okay, go.
Uncle Tony.
Tony, your turn.
Give me, go get that one, the lion. Let me here's his face his face.
Okay, you confused me, give you a hint. One of them, you would have said Risa look like it.
Oh, giraffe.
Oh God.
What?
My turn!
Wait, Tony no pick yet.
Uncle Tony turn, and then first out you.
Eh?
Hello, one.
Wait, so say what?
You want to reach that big?
Wait, didn't go say.
Okay, go.
Sloth? Sloth?
Okay, I got it. Okay.
Wait, Tony no.
Then all man foot leave.
Yes. No, that the one they gone already.
Alright.
Romario.
I need to be gone dead now.
What kind of animal? What kind of animal?
No.
They're all animal in the wild. So no dog, no cat, no up there.
But me must have a Jamaican animal alone, me know the bed.
You eat it.
Come, my turn.
Minua.
My turn.
Uncle Tony, I guess.
My turn. My turn.
No.
Yeah, Tony no gone yet. Me a wait for him.
My turn.
Uncle Tony, my patience, I run thing, man.
Alright, now take one wild guess. One wild guess.
Which one? This one?
I don't wearing wild.
Okay. Take one wild guess.
One deer, so? Deer.
One deer? No.
My turn.
My turn. Batman. Giraffe.
Wrong.
My turn.
Your turn.
You get it.
Giraffe.
Which one? Wrong.
Giraffe.
Wrong.
My turn.
Tony, your turn.
Crocodile. The one there.
No, I'm gonna guess here. I'm gonna guess crocodile.
Don't
already.
fear, get here already.
A giraffe, you look for. Pick one of them if it's a giraffe. Minua.
Cheetah, tiger. We have that type.
Minua.
That's still my turn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One of them a giraffe. Anyone, just pick any one of them. They feel like a giraffe.
Jaja God. Rhino, the one here, Rhino.
Where?
The one here, Rhino. The one that feed the plant pot.
No, wrong.
My turn.
Look at one.
Giraffe.
Wrong.
What?
My turn, Giraffe.
Wrong. Yes.
Okay, I got one.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Yeah.
Me know what it giraffe.
Don't feed with the animal. You must be one giraffe.
Okay, I know one.
Me never smell giraffe either.
Okay.
Alright.
I would have messed up
Who's
this one,
next?
but we'll give you
Who they
this
go?
one.
Who they go?
I don't know, go get the other one.
Who's next?
I'm
next?
go. Uncle Tony go.
Okay.
You gonna go now?
Uncle Tony.
Start
Your
with
turn.
wild animal. Wild animal.
Oh, you fall down.
So what kind of food this one look for?
Foot the foot wall.
No bird feet up there.
Bird feed? Yeah, there is.
Okay, I have one.
This one a parrot then. Parrot.
No part not there.
Eagle.
No.
What that bird did it?
How much get that?
Parrot.
Duck.
Eagle. Duck.
Am I turn?
Duck no did it.
No, duck not there.
Mari, take off the duck already.
My turn?
Yeah,
Zebra.
wrong.
Whoa.
Yo.
No bird foot.
But I've been doing it for a while now.
Me don't know. Me pass.
Okay.
I try to learn cook.
No, una now go get that one, so me go give it to you. So
Yeah, give it.
that one
That one
is
now
the
Free me.
springbuck.
Mommy.
Yeah, because that one it's the same. So that one's a giraffe and this one's a springbuck. Una miss something there, the thing.
So if you get
So una now go get it. So that one me put here. So cause no get that one.
Quick press.
Yeah,
In my
if she get the giraffe.
Get giraffe. You need to say giraffe. guys.
Go man. Go.
Okay, who's
You
next?
still get it.
The one name me say giraffe.
Yeah, but you never say it was a giraffe.
Sean,
Huh?
And me get it right.
when you know footprint night.
Me get it right. See there? Me get it right.
Receipts. Yeah,
When you
receipts.
have Jamaican footprint.
Babes.
Animal night.
Yes.
I should so do that.
This is mine.
Okay.
Learn me that's
You
yours.
guess this giraffe.
He
Mari
did.
guess that.
He did.
I
Yes,
already
yes,
know.
yes, that.
I guess the one name. I
So
tell
me
you
get
yes.
this.
So technically he get
Oh,
Oi.
So this is mine.
here I
Okay.
next one.
Uncle, you're next.
Yeah.
Uncle Tony next.
Okay, you only have 4 left.
Me know.
Oh gosh.
Crow. I'm
No.
trying to say crow on me.
No corona today.
Which one?
Okay,
What ain't called?
let me
I saw
see.
one animal left one.
Yeah, they're all wild.
I know one.
One animal left there. Why?
You have, let me see. I can't tell enough.
Come on, some clue.
I'm gonna give you guys some clue.
What about? Can I go now?
Wrong clue, man.
Yeah, that's a house.
This one.
You have,
Cheetah.
cheetah? No. You have some with horn.
Horn.
Okay. My turn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about yours?
I feel your turn.
No
My
moves.
turn.
What?
What? Oh, moose not there.
No moves, not today. No deer, no deer. They're in the wild, so they're in a jungle. So there's 2 of them there. They're from the same family tree. One has horn, one doesn't have a horn. They both go in the water and they charge at people.
Alright, we know one.
Yeah, what?
They charge at people if they get defensive.
My turn. My turn.
Uncle
And they
turn.
generally run in pack.
Okay, Uncle Tony go.
And sometimes men they by themselves.
Mommy.
And
Uncle
they,
Tony
some go in, they can go in the water and come out. So they're land animals, but they go in the water.
Okay.
No, moose go in the water, can't swim.
Me, my turn.
Alright, go on.
You say moose.
Yeah, drive the car. Alright, ready? Okay.
So which
Here's
one?
the
This way,
Here's
this
another.
way.
Okay.
Romario, sit.
But, so you get somebody up on the first round.
No, we are going to show them how they do it first.
No, they can't reach it.
So you just want to put somebody else?
No, it is. You start off.
Okay.
Eliminate one person.
You want popcorn?
Are you going to get eliminated?
What do you want?
Hey, son.
I'm going to get the cake. Hold on. Eh? Okay. Eh? That's alright. Yeah, go. Ready? The music's playing.
Go for this here.
Talk.
Go on.
We're out.
Give it there. Hello, for your fuck box.
Oh gosh.
Una cheating now.
Hold on.
Yeah,
Hold
push
on.
me, mommy.
You're not ready yet. I'm testing the music. I'm not ready yet. Man, I tell you, I'm not ready yet. Hold on.
Okay, you see more.
Let's go back. Just stop holding. Romario, stop it.
Here, baby stuff.
He doesn't want it.
Okay, then stay there. Okay,
Wait, I
ready?
want it.
Stop it. Watch your laugh. No, God, it's disgusting.
Ready?
Here, we got a lot.
No, get to that chair. Not one of them. Oh, my foot come off.
Hello. Music is how people jump.
Hello. The man them, yes, the plastic one them, jump. Yeah, watch out, when Mario want to play.
Next round.
So we just literally finished musical chair. Yep. Oh gosh, that was fun. We are about to cut the cake and that is it for the night. I am done and partied out. Oh, you're gonna light, where's the something there for the candle? You gonna light it?
You want to light that?
Oh, I am tired. So yeah, we had a great one. Oh, this looks like you're gonna burn my finger. I don't like these lighters. Wait, the something that we use for the lasagna. How do you look for fame?
You know the lasagna tray we left.
Yeah, that long one.
Wait, long one. That's the for the cake. The one that you use for the something there.
Cake. That's my icing thing. That's a massive cake. That's all.
Oh Lord.
It's to ice the cake.
The cake. Say, sing me happy birthday. Hold on, guys. Hot.
Please, you don't get it.
Sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ready?
Come, blow it out. Blow the candle out. Come, blow.
Mario, stop chatting your tongue.
Hey.
Good boy. Gonna cut the cake.
Good
Yeah,
job.
you did it, baby. Cut the cake now. Oh Lord. So in a long day. So his house is pretty much cleaned up. We just have a few stuff left to do. And they're gonna cut the cake. Cut it.
Give me a hand. Hold on it. You ready, babe? Wait. Wait, babe. Come, go, cut it.
Go, Papa, go.
No, that way. Cut it.
Wiggle. You cut the cake?
Box. You want to cut me cake?
Yeah.
Hold on. Let me show you. Hold it like this. Wait. Hold it. Hold it like this. Yeah. Hold it like this. Cut it, cut it.
Cut it. Yeah, chop up the cake.
Yes, please. Mario. Oh gosh.
Yay! You did it!
Okay.
What a certain atrocious. Bomba. Take can out right now.
That's it.
Done.
Oh
Done.
gosh,
I'm
she's
done.
mash up a cake.
No. It's not. Hello.
You want to cut it?
You're done. Let it.
Alright, yeah, I'm done.
No.
I'm done. Wait. Right it.
No, what that?
Here.
No, what that either. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed Romario's second birthday festivities. That is it from the Williams family. So it is time for this one to go to bed. Time for me to go wash all this makeup off my face and shower and all that stuff. But yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. And oh, when he drop asleep, you know why? He's just doped up on candy. That's why he's not sleeping yet. But he not sleep from morning, so he missed his midday sleep. So you see, when he touch your bed, I know nothing good. So hopefully it'll be good. So let me go clean up because Romario started ripping down the signs. He started just destroying the place. So we're gonna leave everything else, and yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the night. So we're gonna play some music and clean up, and yeah, catch you guys in the next vlog. Stay blessed, guys.